steering rack to make it easier to put the transfer case in. Well, not that transfer case, but I guess this is the front differential. The I was trying to avoid having to remove the motor mount, so I was trying to take apart the front differential to slide it in. But to get to one of the bolts, looks like I have to remove the steering rack. I decided to go ahead and do it just because I need new steering rack bushings anyways. But let me go ahead and show you what's going on here. So if you look right here, I need to access that bolt right there. The only way I can get to that bolt is to remove the steering rack. As you see, the bushings are falling apart already anyways. So I'm just going to remove the steering rack, draining the steering fluid. I'm going to change out all the bushings and all the not the bushing, but all the upper and lower ball joints and the ball joints on the steering rack anyway, since I'm already removing all this stuff to swap out the 4x4. So I might as well just go ahead and order the new bushings and change that out while I'm down here. And this way I avoid having to jack up the engine or move the engine up like 2 or 3 inches just so I can get the differential in there. This is all stuff I need to do anyway, so I might as well just do it. Remove this castle nut. You have to remove the bolts that hold the knuckle down there, and then of course you remove the brake caliper. Once you remove the brake caliper, you want to zip tie it to something to keep it from falling down or damaging the cable. There's a bolt that holds it down, just go ahead and remove that. Here I'm removing the front differential again because I forgot to disable the ADD, which is an Auto Differential Disconnect system that Toyota puts in their 4-wheel drive vehicles. Since I didn't actually get any of the vacuum lines from the donor vehicle, I decided to just go ahead and have the front differential constantly locked, and this will make things a lot easier for me when it comes to the swap itself. Fortunately, I don't have any video of me completing the front half of the vehicle. I was in a rush to put the vehicle back together since we got hit by Hurricane Harvey the following day, and I needed the vehicle back together just in case I needed it for an emergency. If you'd like to see how it affected me, just watch the videos here at the end.